Ona ke mohwanto bobedi nakwaneng e kgutshwane ka mora mohwanto o bileng pele moo baemedi ba lekgotla la Muslim Judiciary le Al-Quds Foundation ba ipelaetsang hore mmuso wa Afrika Borwa o kgaole maqhama le naha ya Israel.
The people that are under occupation and that are suffering this are not only Muslim. There are Muslims and Christians that are all suffering under the Zionist occupation.
Mekga dipolotiki le yona e bontshitse tshehetso ho Palestina le setjhaba sa yona.
South Africa has lived through what we're seeing in Palestine or East Jerusalem, we're seeing on a daily basis is reminiscent of the history of South Africa. And if South Africans cannot recognize those atrocities as the human rights violations that they are, then I'm astounded.
So many international agreements have been entered into, and Israel has not complied with a single one of those agreements. And all the Palestinian people are asking for is to live with dignity in the land which rightfully belongs to them.
It is time the South African government acts on its promise to downgrade the embassy of Israel. The ANC took that resolution in 2017, and we are saying as young people that we want it implemented.
Mantswe mo president wa mehleng Nelson Mandela a reng Afrika Borwa e ka se lokollohwe ho fihlela Palestina e lokolloha a ile a buelletswa kgafetsa mohwantong ona.
We do not want a downgrade of a embassy in Israel. We want to totally shut down our embassy in Tel Aviv in particular. And we must fully reinstate and support our embassy in Ramallah, Palestine, to show where we stand in the Palestinian issue.
South African Zionist Federation e hanana le boipiletso ba hore mmuso wa Israel o fuwe dikotloqobello le hore ho hatellwa ha Israel ho ka se tlise tharollo qakeng ena.
Boycotts would never work. Israel has an economy larger than South Africa, has very high levels of foreign direct investment, and has innovations that are used every single day in South Africa and around the world.
Ho sa le jwalo, African Union e bontsha tshehetso ho Palestina le ho seola ditlhaselo tsa moyeng Gaza Strip moo baahi ba Palestina ba hlokahetseng ka bongata. Modulasetulo wa Commission wa AU Musa Faki Mahomed o re diketso tsa sesole sa Israel ho ntsha ka dikgoka ma Palestina botjhabela ba Jerusalema ke ho hatikela molao wa matjhaba.